We have understood the complete basic overview of Canva. From today, we are going to create some designs and unlock more features of Canva. The more you practice graphic designing, the better your finishing will become, and the more you will become an expert. We'll start with something easy. We'll begin with a simple design and then move forward to more advanced designs. In this video, I am going to design a motivational poster. If you practice along with me, your finishing will improve. Let's start the video. I hope you all are enjoying this Canva course. If you have missed any videos and are watching this one for the first time, you can find the complete Canva playlist in the description box. Make sure you don't miss a single video. And if you haven't subscribed to Tech AI yet, please do so. Today, we are going to design basic quotes on Canva. I will show you how to create 2 designs. Let me know in the comments section which one you like best. Keep practicing on your own. Remember, you won't become an expert in graphic design or Canva just by watching or listening. You have to practice it yourself. Let's create our design. First, click on Create a Design and then search for Motivational. You will see some frames you can choose from according to your preference. For now, I choose this one, and you will see many templates open. I'm going to design 2 posters, one from a template and the other from scratch. So we have a lot of templates to choose from, but for now, I'm going to select this one. When you click on it, it will appear on your canvas. This template is fully editable. You can edit the text and elements within it. Now, I want to write my quote, so I'm copying my quote from here and replacing the existing text. Next, adjust your text. I also want to add the author's name, so I'll write it here and adjust it accordingly. For quotation marks, go to the Elements tab, type quotation mark, and hit Enter. You will see a lot of quotation marks. Choose any of the free ones. I'll select this one. Add it and adjust it to the top of the text, like this. Also, change the color, then duplicate it by simply copying and pasting, and adjust it at the bottom, like this. I also want to change the font. Always remember to choose a font that is easy to read. This font looks better, so I'll choose it and adjust the text accordingly. That's how you can edit any template for your design. Now we're going to design a new poster from scratch. Click on Add Page for a new page. Now we have a blank page. First, I need a background. Search for it in the elements. Choose one you like. I'll choose this one, and then adjust it in your frame. After adding the background, it's time to add text. Click on Text, then choose Add a Heading and write your quote. Don't write the full quote, just write one line. I'll pick this one, write it, and then adjust it at the top. Next, copy this text by holding the Alt button on your keyboard. Now, write the second line and adjust it below the first one. Repeat the same step. Copy the text, write the third line, and adjust it. Continue this process, adjusting each line of text one by one. After adding all the text, it's time to change the font style. For now, I'll choose the Impact font, but you can use any font you like. Change all the text fonts. After changing the fonts, they may not be aligned well. Select all the text, click on Position, then click on Center. This will automatically align the text in the center. Now, I want a rectangle stroke line. Go to the Elements, search for Rectangle, then add the shape to your frame. I only want the stroke, so I'll disable the fill color from the color box, then click on the lines and increase the border weight as desired. Adjust the rectangle in your frame. Next, I want to use different colors for some text. Select the text and change the color. After this, I want to add some texture to the text. Go to the Elements, search for Texture, and choose any free texture. As you can see, the texture is added behind the text, but I want it in front. To do this, click on Position, then click on Layers, and bring the texture layer to the front. Adjust the texture into the font like this. You can do the same with all the text. Finally, I want to add quotation marks, so add them and adjust them accordingly. Add the author's name, select the text, write the author's name, and adjust it at the bottom. Now, our poster is ready. So that's how you can design a poster in Canva. Which poster design do you like best? Let me know in the comments section. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates.